This training video describes the student assessment experience for Literably's phonological awareness and phonics assessments. In an earlier training video, we discussed the different ways that teachers and students can log into Literably, depending on your district or school's chosen rostering method. Students can either log in through Clever or ClassLink single sign-on, or directly from Literably's login page. Please refer to one of the rostering videos if you need to review how students should log into Literably. Students can use a variety of devices to assess in Literably, including laptops, desktops, Chromebooks, or iPads. On computers, we recommend that students use the Chrome browser, and on the iPad, we recommend that students use the Literably iPad app, which needs to be pre-installed. If this is not an option, they can also use the Safari or Chrome app on the iPad. Once students have logged into Literably, they will likely see an assessment choice menu. They should click on either Phonological Awareness or Phonics to enter those assessments. The student assessment experience for Phonological Awareness and Phonics is fairly similar, so let's take a look at Phonological Awareness as an example. When students enter the assessment, they may first need to click Allow in the microphone pop-up window to enable the microphone. This will allow the microphone on their devices to pick up their voice. Then, students will hear our friendly mascot Rudy the dog give a series of instructions. Students should listen to those instructions and respond when prompted. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Rudy. We are going to play a game with words and sounds. During the game, you will push the green button to move to the next question. Try it now. When you are ready to start, say, "I'm ready." Then click the green button to start the game.
I'm ready.
Here's how the game works. I will ask you to say a word like big. Then I will ask you to say the first sound you hear. For example, the first sound in big is B. Let's try one together. The word is big. Now, let's say the last sound in the word big. What is the sound?
G.
The correct answer is G. Now you try. Remember, the word is big. Now say the middle sound in the word big. What is the sound?
I.
The correct answer is I. Say bat.
Bat.
What is the middle sound in bat?
A.
Say hill. Say hill.
Hill.
What is the middle sound in hill?
A. As you just saw, after hearing the instructions and doing a practice, students will be presented with the questions in the assessment. Students should listen carefully to Rudy's prompts and respond when Rudy is done talking. It is very important for students to wait until Rudy is completely finished asking the question before giving their answer. A visual cue for this is to wait for the green microphone to appear. The microphone will flash to indicate that the device detects the student's voice. After students give their answer, they will press the green arrow to submit. It is also very important here that they do not press this button before they are done talking, as this will cut off their response. If the device is unable to hear the student, Rudy will ask the student to try again. Students can press the question mark above Rudy's head to hear some prompts repeated. If students do not produce a response after 10 seconds, Rudy will automatically move on to the next question. Students cannot go back to previous questions. If there are different types of activities or skills within the assessment, Rudy will give detailed instructions and a practice question at the start of each section. The progress bar at the top of the screen shows how many questions remain. Students can pause the assessment and resume where they left off. After answering all the questions in the assessment, students will be logged out. You will receive an email notification with their results, and the data will be updated on your teacher dashboard within 24 hours. For the phonics assessment, the student experience is very similar, with the difference being that students will be asked to read a series of words. In addition to Rudy's instructions, students will also see a word on the screen and be asked to read the word out loud. Now that you have seen how students take the phonological awareness and phonics assessments, you can move on to the next training video on interpreting results. We also recommend checking out the Using the Demo Student training video to see how you can demo the assessment process for your students.